Now, prosecutors in the Michael Jackson trial continue to focus on phone records as they prepare to wrap up their case. But we're learning more about whom the defense team plans to call to the witness stand. MSNBC's Jennifer London is standing by live at the courthouse in Santa Maria, California. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Allison. The prosecution does appear to be tying up loose ends, as you mentioned, again, focusing on phone records in another attempt to link Michael Jackson to the conspiracy. Remember, prosecutors argue that Jackson conspired with his associates to hold the accuser and his family against their will. The prosecution showing more phone records today. It indicates a flurry of activity around the time the prosecution claims the molestation and the false imprisonment occurred. But as of yet, the prosecution, according to one court watcher, has not yet connected the dots between Michael Jackson and the conspiracy charge.
I don't think they need a miracle, but they do need a very strong witness to tie this thing down, especially the conspiracy, because, as I say, they can survive losing it, but it is going to taint the rest of their case.
Meantime, NBC News has learned when the defense begins presenting its case, the defense will call immediately 3 young boys who are now young men, who the prosecution says at one time Michael Jackson molested. We are being told the defense says these young men will say it never happened. So who are these young boys who are now young men? Well, actor Macaulay Culkin, we have heard a lot about him during this trial. He, of course, is, as I mentioned, an actor, starred in Home Alone. He has publicly said nothing happened when he spent time with Michael Jackson at his Neverland ranch. Then there is Wade Robson. He appeared in 2 videos with Michael Jackson. He also says nothing inappropriate happened between him and the pop star. And then the defense says they will call Brett Barnes, who apparently he's from Australia. He wrote a fan letter to Michael Jackson in the 90s and was apparently invited out to Jackson's ranch. They met. They became companions. Brett Barnes, too, says nothing inappropriate happened between him and Michael Jackson. And, Allison, we will have to wait and see if the prosecution does, in fact, wrap up its case, as it has said it plans to do.
Jennifer London on the scene in Santa Maria, California. Thanks so much.